Californian robotics company Figure has unveiled BotQ, a new facility designed to mass-produce humanoid robots, starting with an initial capacity of 12,000 robots per year, with plans to scale up to 100,000 within 4 years. The facility integrates advanced automation and manufacturing processes, featuring a completely redesigned next-generation robot to support high-volume production and reliability testing. The announcement aligns with broader industry trends, as seen in Figure's collaboration with NVIDIA and BMW, highlighting the rapid advancements and growing investment in humanoid robotics for industrial applications. What's interesting is that Figure refers to multiple robots as a fleet, the same term as used for cars. Considering the humanoid form of the Figure O2, the more obvious choice would be an army of robots. But then maybe that might make people think twice about allowing them into their homes. Anyway, it's all positive signs that mass production of the ultra-sleek Figure O2 is getting closer, and we could see these by the end of the year. Will you pre-order?